If your wrist looks like a smartwatch, you're tracking everything. If your finger looks like a ring, you're tracking quietly. If your tech looks like a decision, you're confused. Quick frame, two champs of wearable health, totally different playbooks. Apple Watch, loud, smart, full-featured, notifications apps, GPS, ECG, heart rate radar that's always watching, mini phone, fitness coach, safety beacon, fall detection, emergency SOS battery, daily charging, plan for it. Oura ring, stealth mode, minimalist comfortable, obsessed with sleep and recovery, sleep stages, HRV resting heart rate, body temperature trends, without a bulky wrist battery lasts several days, charging forgettable. So what's the trade-off? Data, depth, convenience. Apple Watch gives real-time metrics and workouts, but sleep accuracy can be inconsistent, bigger and more reactive. Oura focuses on nightly recovery, delivering clean sleep and readiness scores. Great for optimizing rest and long-term trends. Ecosystem matters. If you live in Apple's world, Watch syncs with your apps, calendar like butter, Oura plays nice with your health data. No apps, fewer distractions, price and style. Apple Watch looks techy. Customizable Oura is subtle classy. Both cost a premium pick based on what you actually use. Final verdict. Want an all-purpose smart companion? Apple Watch. Want low-key, sleep-first insights and multi-day battery or move a